In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can generate a lot in Microsurvey CAD. So for this, we're going to be working with this lot here, and we're just going to define the front, left, right, and back of the lot to generate the lot itself, as well as the report giving all our information. So in this case, we already have all the line work, so it's going to be a lot more simpler. To start off, we're going to go to MS Tools, Subdivision, Create Edit Lot Blocks. This one we're going to be creating just a lot. We're not going to be worrying about blocks this time. And here you have three options. The first one is if you didn't have any line work and you just had bearings and distances, and then you can type it in manually. The second one, which is the one we're going to be using, is if you have all the line work and it's just a matter of selecting the line work for the corresponding front, back, left, or right. And the third one is to automatically generate lots, but this is if you already had a block. In this case we don't, we just have a single lot, so we're going to be using this one. So first off, you can type in your lot name. I'm just going to call this lot 1. And we don't have to worry about a starting point because we're going to be just selecting the line work. So we're going to start by selecting objects. So here you have the frontage, and then the back, left, and right. So we're going to start by selecting the front. I can just move this window to the side. And now it's just a matter of clicking on the lines. So that's the frontage. Let's select the left now. This one I can just window them in if I want. Do the back. And then the side. Now that that's all done, just click on finish. And it's generated everything as well. And it'll also open up a notepad with all your information. So here you can see all the points that were used, the bearings and distances as well. You can see the square meters of the lot as well as the square feet and the hectares and acres. You can also see how much the frontage is from that red line in the front I selected and the error closure. If there's any errors, it would show up in here. Then of course you can save this or print it as if you need. In this case I'm not going to worry about it, so I'm just going to close that. In Microsurvey, it's going to ask you if you want to process another lot. This is if you want to keep going one by one. In this case I'm not, I'm just worrying about the single lot. I'm going to press no. And now it's generated the lot in Microsurvey. And this is how you use the create edit lot blocks.